In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print multiple invoices in QuickBooks Online. Managing your invoices efficiently is crucial for keeping your business finances in order, and QuickBooks Online makes it easy to handle this task. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the QuickBooks website. You can do this by performing a simple Google search for QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the QuickBooks website, look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you use the correct email and password associated with your QuickBooks account to ensure you access your business data. After logging in, you'll be directed to your QuickBooks dashboard. From here, look for the Sales section on the left-hand menu. Click on All Sales. This will take you to a comprehensive overview of all your sales transactions, including your invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. Now that you're at the All Sales page, you'll see a list of all your invoices. Take your time to scroll through this list to locate the specific invoices you need to print. Once you've found them, you'll notice a small checkbox next to each invoice entry. Click the checkboxes next to the invoices you wish to print. You can select multiple invoices at once, which is a real time saver. With your desired invoices selected, move your attention to the Batch Actions menu. This option is usually positioned at the top or directly above your list of invoices. Click on Batch Actions, and you'll see a few different options appear. From this drop-down menu, select Print. After clicking Print, QuickBooks will generate a preview of the invoices you selected. At this point, you have a couple of options. You can either print the invoices directly using a connected printer or download them as a PDF file. If you choose to download them, save them in a secure location on your computer. This option is particularly useful if you want to send the invoices via email or store them electronically for future reference. And there you have it. You've successfully printed multiple invoices in QuickBooks Online. This method is not only efficient, but also ensures you have a physical or digital copy of your important financial documents. Keep in mind that regularly printing and saving your invoices can help maintain your records and simplify your bookkeeping process. With these steps, you'll master QuickBooks features and streamline your business operations. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.